Now that you have Jupyter Notebook installed, you can start creating and editing notebooks. Let's discuss 2 simple but important steps to do that. 1. Building your first Jupyter Notebook project. To create a new notebook, click on the New button in the top right corner of the Jupyter Notebook interface and select Python 3 or the version you have installed from the drop-down menu. A new notebook will open with an empty code cell. You can start writing your code, Markdown text, or equations in the cell. To execute the code in a cell, press Shift+Enter. You can add new cells, delete cells, or change the cell type, code, Markdown, or raw, using the toolbar at the top of the notebook. Additionally, you can access various notebook settings, download the notebook in different formats, or save and checkpoint your progress using the File and Kernel menus. Don't forget to subscribe. 2. Installing a Python module in Jupyter Notebook with pip install. To install additional Python modules in Jupyter, use the pip or pip3 command followed by the module name. For example, to install the NumPy module, run the following command in a Jupyter Notebook cell, pip install numpy. For Mac users, you might need to use pip3 install numpy. Classic Jupyter Notebook is a powerful tool. However, if you are looking to collaborate with others in a seamless code-based notebook that supports simultaneous use of Python, R, and SQL, check out Notable. It is fully compatible with classic Jupyter Notebook, meaning you can import and export IPNB files, and requires no setup at all. Just sign up and code away. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment so that we can build a unique community of professionals and experts. Bye.